That's what seat belts are made for, to keep you from getting injected from the car if you have an accident. They can have a individual involved in a wreck to open the vehicle. Now they're going to have to fly him out. That's what seatbelts are made for, people. You put your seatbelts on before you start the vehicle up. They're not there just for decoration, they're for your safety. They're not inconvenient when it saves your life. I know that from experience. Wear your daggone seatbelts. Wear your seat